In this Quick Practice Better tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to navigate the software with ease. Stick around until the end, because I'm also going to show you a few alternatives that may be a better fit for your goals. You don't want to miss that. First, let's dive straight into setting up your account. Once you sign up, you'll land on your dashboard where you can immediately begin adding clients. Simply click Add Client and enter their details like name, email, and any other specifics you need for scheduling and communication. This is the heart of Practice Better, and getting your clients in the system is key to staying organized from the get-go. Next, let's move on to booking appointments. After you add your clients, click on Schedule and then New Appointment to create a session. You can choose the type of appointment, consultation, session, etc., set your availability, and even include notes for each appointment. Practice Better allows you to manage your calendar within the software so you don't have to juggle between apps. It's a great feature, but the interface can sometimes feel a bit clunky if you're using it with a high volume of clients. The third thing I want to cover is invoicing. In Practice Better, after you've completed a session, you can easily generate an invoice by navigating to the Billing section. Create the invoice, add your fees, and send it directly to your client. It's all integrated, but I found it lacking a bit when it comes to customization options, like adding more detailed descriptions or customizing the design. It works, but you might hit some limitations if you're running a larger business. Now, let's talk about client communication. One of the standout features of Practice Better is its built-in messaging system. It allows you to message clients directly from the platform. You can send reminders, updates, or even general chat. The downside? It's not the most intuitive messaging system, and it lacks the customization you might find with more specialized communication tools. The fifth thing is tracking progress and outcomes. In Practice Better, you can create custom forms for client assessments or progress tracking. This is a solid feature for anyone looking to keep a close eye on how clients are progressing toward their goals. However, the form creation process can be a bit time-consuming, especially if you're trying to build complex tracking systems. It's helpful, but not as seamless as it could be. Lastly, let's briefly touch on integrations. While Practice Better does connect to some external tools like Google Calendar and Stripe, it still falls short compared to other platforms when it comes to available third-party integrations. You might find that it lacks certain connections you rely on, so keep that in mind when deciding whether this platform fits your needs. Now, I mentioned that I would be recommending some alternatives. The competitor I'd suggest looking into is better for users who need more robust billing, smoother client communication, and stronger integrations. Plus, it offers a free trial, just like Practice Better. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to the software I mentioned, along with some added benefits just for our viewers. So if you're looking to take your practice to the next level, be sure to check it out.